Hello viewers, today I will show you how to set up TP-Link TL-WR841N router. At first, power on your TP-Link router. Plug it into the internet cable or WAN port on the rear of your router. Connect your computer or mobile to the router using an Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi. Once your computer or mobile is connected, open a web browser and go to 192.168.0.1. Create login password. For security, please create a login password for management. Password must be 6 to 32 characters long. Administrator password must contain at least 2 types of the following characters: letters, numbers, and symbols. Type your new administrator password with at least 6 characters. And retype the confirm password. Then click on Start. Run the quick setup to manually configure your internet connection and wireless settings. To continue, click on the Next button. Choose Operation Mode, Wireless Router. Then click on Next. If your ISP provides a static or fixed IP address, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS setting, select the static IP option. If your ISP provides a PPPoE connection, select PPPoE Russia PPPoE option. Then click on Next. Please enter the username and password provided by your broadband provider. You can ask your ISP, internet service provider, about your internet connection and the required details. First, type your PPPoE username. Then type your PPPoE password. Retype the confirm password. Then click on Next. Enter the name, SSID, for your wireless network. Type your Wi-Fi name, SSID, for your wireless network in the given field. Set a password to secure your Wi-Fi network. Type the Wi-Fi password you have chosen in the box next to password. Wi-Fi password must contain at least 8 characters. Then click on Next. The quick setup is complete. Please confirm all parameters below. Click back to modify any settings or click Save to save and apply your configurations. Then click on Save. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to get the latest video update.